What's up guys, this is AJ from Garage Hack, and today, as you all know, I'm doing a rebuild on my RV. If you haven't checked my latest video, please go ahead and check it on my playlist. So today I'm doing really quick 3 things most to do while rebuilding your RV. Stay tuned. Alright, the 3 things you must do is, first, AOMOR mold. It's a great product from Home Depot, $10 product. Basically, it's you take it, you spray it around the wood to kill the mold. We're done with this one. Second great product is 2-in-1. This is make the wood water resistant. They use it on boats. It's a great product. You take 2 of these one of this, you mix it, then you apply it. It's become a good layer over the wood. Will make it water resistant. Lastly, get a paint. It will save you a lot. Paint the woods, paint the metal. See you next video.